Hello all office executives. In this particular video, I'll be demonstrating that whenever we are feeding the Excel with some names, like maybe the column header is name, then it would just there will be some formatting color. Again, Ramesh. So whenever the value is being inserted into the Excel sheet, only then the background formatting would appear. How to achieve this? So I'll be just new sheet. I'll be just selecting a new sheet and rename it to maybe answer. Fine. So now the now rename answer. Now comes the portion in which you would I want to define a formula by which whenever you are entering a value, the color format would appear. So I am expecting that my table would range from A to B to C to D to E. This would be the range of cells within which my data would be present, and from the home section I will be selecting conditional formatting, and then I will be giving a new rule. So the rule would be equal to, if this particular cell, so $A $1 means it won't change. A is the column and the row is fixed. I will be fixing the uh, column, but the row would change. So $A1, if A1, then A2, then A3, then A4. So it would just there will be a reference to the cells is not equal to blank. Blank means I am giving a double inverted comma, and within that I am passing no values. So here is the formula equal to A1. So if A1 is not equal to blank, then A2, A3, A4. So I am making the column fixed, but the row it would change. So I will be giving some format. The format would be something like the fill color would be blue, and there will be some border. And the font will be something different, maybe bold. Hit OK. Again OK. Now whenever I am entering a value, maybe name, then Ramesh, Suresh, Mala. So in this way you can just format your Excel sheet cell that whenever a value is being present, only then the formatting would appear. That's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.